Hello, I'm David.
Hi, I'm Julie.
And welcome to our channel.
Hi.
So we're going to do an unboxing of King Me. And if you notice behind here, if we get 1,000 subs, Julie will play
I will learn how to play
Leader.
Squad Leader, the basic baby version.
Yeah, and it won't be that hard, as opposed to Advanced Squad Leader, which is not easy to play.
He promised me I could drink a glass of wine while we play. So,
Yes. And I'm thinking that I'm going to do a times a 200% version, so I'm going to enlarge the maps into pieces to make it really cool.
Oh, that would be
Which
fun.
I've done for demos when I used to run a game company. So I think you'll enjoy that. So please subscribe.
Please, and don't forget to mark the little bell so you know that when we put up a video, you'll get a notification.
Yes, and the reason why we need your help is because we're not monetized, you know we're not sponsored. We don't want to be sponsored necessarily because that way we can be objective and things like that. So this is our only way for us to try to get something for our time.
Yes.
And please fill out the survey in the description below because this will give you an idea, help us understand what kind of content you want. It's take less than 30 seconds. It's really quick. All right, so I have my 1980s tool here. So when this is a Ravensburger game that's in Target, that's why we got it. It was on sale. There's not many videos on this game, so that's why we're doing an unboxing, and we'll do a playthrough.
Yep.
So when there's not a lot of videos, we'll show an older game. So here we go. Da-da-da. And the reason why you have to use this tool here is because it has the typical stickers.
Ah, yes, that's right.
So this is a checkers variant.
Ah, okay.
Okay. I want to make sure
Well,
I
the board seems very colorful.
Yes. Da-da-da. Capture the crowns, control the rounds.
Okay.
Yeah, it has a little.
Oh,
Reminds me of something. Okay, here's the instructions. I'm sure the instructions, let me show you. Let's compare.
Oh, no.
Is it like this? Oh, look. Let's read 40 pages on infantry rules. This is why I don't play this version.
I will never play this version.
Okay, let's do that. Oh, is it going to be like this?
Oh, please. I sure hope not,
By
because
the
you're
way,
reading them.
This is used as a non-example in my dissertation. All right, so anyways, King Me instructions. Let's compare.
Ooh, so colorful and so short.
Different type of game. Any war game is like, yeah, that's not a war game. You shouldn't be comparing. You're right. It's called a joke. All right, so ending the game. Wow. Okay, so it's simple. We'll be able to learn this really quickly.
Yep.
Now, to keep the price point low, when they do their boards, they don't do the typical Euro board. It's where you don't see the seams.
Ah.
So when you do a board like this, it's a little cheaper construction, and that's okay.
That's okay.
Because I don't want to spend a lot on a game that we don't know if we're going to like.
That's right.
But you have different terrain. See here, and you have some kind of card track here, it looks like.
Yeah, it does look like it.
And just starting locations. See how you have different
Oh,
icons?
right. Yep. I bet you
Different
that
colors.
is.
You know, I just thought of Willy Wonka for some reason.
Because we just watched Willy Wonka
on Red Letter
on
Media.
Red Letter Media.
Yeah. You know, we've been following that channel since the very beginning.
We love those guys.
Okay, anyway. Here's some cards for you. Hey,
okay.
these should be all easy to open. Okay, pieces. So it looks like it's 4 players, which I didn't even look at.
I thought it was 2 players.
2 players, 45 minutes, 8 and up.
Maybe you use
So
those for
why do you have different pieces then?
Well, these are like thick.
Well, we'll show those in a minute.
Yeah.
So I'll go back to and you got traditional checker tokens, but not a full set. So here you have, decent plastic.
I like the little crowns.
So it doesn't look like, is this a full set of checkers here? I don't remember how many come in original checkers.
I have no idea. It's been so long since I've played.
So you have 4, 5, 12. Okay, maybe is there 12 in the original? 2 colors. You got a nice little.
Oh, that is nice.
Right. All right, so go ahead and show the cards.
Okay. We have these big, huge, it just says Beast King, and it's the same thing on both sides.
You sure? Yeah, you're right.
We have Beast King, Extreme King, Hidden King.
Counts as 2 checkers.
And Dream King. And look, the tops are different. They match those little
Yeah.
things you have.
Are these Hey, you're shaking the table.
Oh, sorry.
Just so you know.
Sorry.
That's why I was thinking, why is the cards moving?
Okay, and then you're given two
It's like a little earthquake.
turn order, what are they, turn order cards?
Move, trigger, slide, and draw. Interesting.
And then you have a stack of cards that, not sure what they do, but
Well, it looks like it matches the terrain, so let's take a look here.
okay. They're very nice. I mean, these are really thick, those
So,
bigger cards.
This matches that, it looks like.
Oh,
So is that where you get to move?
you're right, they do match their
So,
terrain.
well, look, there's swords.
Oh, yes.
Okay, shields.
Shields.
Does this go with the different crowns?
It could. What are those, like?
Maces.
Oh, thank you. I don't know what they're called.
And some kind of,
Bat? Is that a bat?
yeah, well, it's a club.
Club.
So I wonder if it matches that. So
Maybe in the
here-
directions it'll.
Here's a club. Well, we're not going to read them right now. All right, so
No.
go ahead and show it again. I'm sorry.
Oh, you're
Seem
fine.
to see that.
Don't apologize. So we have ruins. Don't know what the numbers on the top mean. Volcano Ridge. Oh, and a pretty river. 1 and 2 and 1. And then mountains. So that's all of the club ones. These ones are the, what are they called, sweetie?
It's a mace.
Mace. So we
No, a
have
flail. It's a flail.
flail. Okay.
Yeah. I
Red,
haven't played D&D in a long time. I forgot.
we have red pine forest, mushroom canopy, water again, the boneyard, more water, and more water. So the
Yeah.
waters are all the same, looks like. And we have the shield, and look at that, water, star dunes, water, water, upside down water, spooky swamp,
Jinkies.
lotus pond,
Yeah.
and last but not least,
You didn't catch that, Julie.
I did, it's Scooby-Doo, and
Yeah.
it's Velma. We have the swords, we have crystal caverns, frozen sea, desert pyramids,
That's cool.
water, water, and water. Okay,
Okay, well, that was a quick unboxing.
yeah.
So, we will do a playthrough of this for sure.
Yes.
So please subscribe and like and complete the survey. And I'm David.
I'm Julie. Thank you so much for watching.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.